Well, happy Monday, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video today and give you a little bit of an update on my 90-day challenge. It is going very well. It's been a short week for me because I've only been on the product a few days now, but I'm trying to do my check-ins on Sunday or Monday. Yeah, let's get to it. So in the last few days I'm not going to give you the full layout of my figures and stuff, but I'm just going to do the losses. So I'm down 4 pounds and I have lost 2 inches on my waist, and I have lost ½ an inch on my, let's see, this is my left side, on my left thigh. So that is my totals for this entry. I'm actually super excited. I did, my sleep has been okay. It will probably taper off and be better within the next few weeks. And energy's been pretty good, I must say. So some people are just like, they have bounds of energy. I have a good amount of energy to get through the day. And the bloating, I experienced a lot of bloating. For those of you who are familiar with fibroids, mine happened to be quite considerably large. So anyway, they cause a lot of bloating, and that has kind of tapered down a bit. So I am excited to see what's going to happen in the next few weeks. And I have seen in some of the groups that some of the women have even avoided surgery. So that to me is just phenomenal. Digestive system, I will say, I feel it speed up. So that's, yeah, a good way to put it. Felt like it's been sped up is the word. So a lot of pluses. If you get the chance, really look into the product line. The Elevate is phenomenal. The Accelerate is incredible. With that purple and white pill, it really is amazing. So check it out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. Get that notification for the bell. And if you're interested in being a part of my challenge, I'm on this 90-day challenge. So if you are interested, just let me know. Comment or message me, and I will add you to the group. All right, just speak to you later. Have a great day, and happy Monday, guys, again. Enjoy.